Funky D. Welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, the news when we get to this is 2023. Nnamdi Kanu is Igbo's greatest enemy. Ohaneze Ndigbo alleges. Before we go into this news, make I use this little opportunity when I get take thank those of you not subscribe to my channel, and for those who never subscribed before, I say make una subscribe, make una share, and make una not forget to press that bell sign that anytime when Funky D upload, una first get my video. I say the backstabbers they don't come. The international saboteurs they don't come. The people what they call the Ohaneze Ndigbo, aka the Ohaneze Ndioshi. Now their matter when we get today, we won't talk about. Right? The Apex Igbo Social Political Organization, Ohaneze Ndigbo, has described Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, as the greatest enemy of Igbo people in the last 200 years. Ohaneze Ndigbo's Secretary General, Barrister Uche Okechukwu, in a chat with Daily Post, claimed that Nnamdi Kanu collected money from enemy of Igbos to destroy the Southeast. Okechukwu maintained that the action of the IPOB leader was undermining the chances of the Southeast to produce the next Nigerian's president. He said, "This is a man that asks Igbo to destroy their voters' registration card and not to vote. For the 8 hours to the election, he collected money from PDP and asked the people to vote. So, what will they have used to vote?" Kanu's action undermines the interests of Ndigbo politically. He is an enemy of the Igbo man. In any serious land and climb, they will catch him and flog him because he is undermining our people. Today, you can see the votes that come out from Igbo land. 3,000 votes from Abia, 600,000 votes from Anambra, 500,000 votes from Enugu, 300,000 votes from Ebonyi, 500,000 votes from Imo. Is that the number of votes that will produce Igbo presidents? All the votes from the Southeast are not up to that of Jigawa and Katsina. So Nnamdi Kanu is commissioned to destroy the Igbo race. The enemies of Ndigbo gave him money to destroy us. He is the greatest enemy of Ndigbo in the last 200 years. I equate him to a slave master. The Ohaneze Ndigbo Secretary General lamented that the separatists' continued insult on President Muhammadu Buhari was affecting the chances of the Southeast politically. He claimed that President Muhammadu Buhari will install a president in 2023, but Kanu's action would hinder the chances of the Southeast coming out as next president. He said, "I have said this time without number that APC will win the 2023 presidential election. You know, and I also know that President Muhammadu Buhari will install a president. You don't need a prophet to tell you that. In the next 3 years, Buhari will decide the next president of the country." So, Kanu continue insult on the president, and shifting Igbo from the APC is weakening us. APC will install the president, and Igbo people are not in the party. Igbos in APC are being insulted. They are insulting Ngige, Okorocha, Ojozo Kalu. Meanwhile, APC will produce the president. Buhari will install the president in 2023. APC does not need Nnamdi Kanu to win election. They have won the presidential election twice without the votes of the South and Southeast. Buhari became president without the vote of our people. He ran again without the vote of our people. So he will install a president without our votes. Okechukwu also appealed to President Muhammadu Buhari to give the presidency to the Southeast in the interest of fairness and equity. We are appealing to President Buhari and APC that in the interest of equity and fairness to give the presidency to Igbo and to produce a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction. I don't care where he come from. I say the international saboteurs and the backstabbers, they don't come out again. The Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, aka Ohaneze Ndi Oshi. Now, una don't hear wetin dem they talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Say that Nnamdi Kanu, na him make them, na him go still make them not to win election, na him go still make them not to be able to present an Igbo president. All these things are fat lies. These people that is called Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, they are all jealous of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, they don't see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't budget out money, don't bring out money when they want to, when they help people from the Biafran land. As in putting things in place because of this disease around the world. Now, jealousy don't start again from there. Not only that, after the 2019 election, where they do, the world election where they do, the Buhari Abi Jubri himself, when they there, come out, Abi Nabakiari, come tell the Biafran people, say, una no go get anything from me when be the president or from the presidency. Una no go get any position, una no go get any allocation, una no go get nothing based on say, una no follow vote for me. I never see a country when things like this they happen. Now, waiting go make this the Ohaneze Ndi Igbo now to come out they blame Nnamdi Kanu. See, now because of him, they no go fit bring out an Igbo presidency. When they already don't fail, Abba Kyari come out, come tell on us say, oh no, no get anything. Not be president because nothing like President Muhammadu Buhari in Aso Rock there. Abba Kyari come out, come tell on us say, oh no, no go get anything from us or from him when be the Abba Kyari. No position, nothing, no money when they go allocate give una. Even the 22.7 billion when they go borrow recently now, still they not give them anything. All of us don't see them whether they cry. Now, they can't still cause them. No. So, these people when they call Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, they fail long time they come. And these are the people when we say, now the same Alamajiri, Northern Caliphate people, now them position them there just to destroy the actualization of Biafra. Now then just position them there. They tell them what to do at any given time. How in a hell this man will come out, come talk say, Nnamdi Kanu, now him go make them not to get presidency. Again, presidency na something when then they dash somebody. I be president or to become a president something when we say somebody go install. The man they claim say Buhari go install somebody in a democratic era. Una they claim so una they do election. Una they claim say una they do election. So election what una they do now. Now una don't let the word know say na install. Una they install. Not be by vote when people cast. So meaning Buhari go decide and bring out somebody when go be. Now the thing when this Ohaneze Ndi Oshi people They tell us, say na so e dey work. Say Buhari, they already don't know, say Buhari don't do am already, and na so it go be, then go bring out somebody. But una they tell us, say una they win by vote, una they count. Una, when Biohanes Ndigbo, before, and the Nigerian politicians, una they tell us, say, APC and PDP, they tell us before, say, na election where they win now by voting. Like this one, I would wrong allocate, give Jubri. They say Jubri win everything. They win everything in that country. So now they come out now, they let us know, say, Buhari go install another person from another tribe or from another part of the country, not an Igbo man. Look, this Ohanes Ndigbo, make una stop to the blame Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is progressing. Why una they sink down? Every day by day, una just dey there, they dig una grave. We don't beg una, we don't tell una, say, make una join Biafra. Una know, say, not be today, the Northerners don't tell una, say, una no go ever be. Say, Igbo person can never, or somebody from Biafran land can never become president in that country. So why come be say now? Na Nnamdi Kanu, una they blame. Nnamdi Kanu, when they fight for una. Nnamdi Kanu, when one release una from the damn prison, when all of una dey, na him una can they blame. They not turn us long time. They don't come and talk, see, no Biafran person can ever become president again. Even after that 2019 election, what they do? They just come out again. Even they talk, including Bola Tinubu. But we know, say, all those ones now game where they play within themselves. The Northerners not like Igbo people. The Yoruba people, they're not like Igbo people. So, una dey on una own. That is why una supposed to by now join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the actualization of the Biafran sovereignty. Or for the actualization of Biafran nation. Any way you want put her. So, why una go tell us, say, people they go cast vote? At the end of the day now una see they come back, they tell us, say, Buhari go install. By the way, where the Buhari when una they talk? All of una when Biohanes Ndigbo. All of una gang go together, go bring that Jubri. All of una, because this thing now, Ohanes Ndigbo people, then be PDP people. PDP, Atiku Abubakar when be una leader, he dey among people when go recruit Jubri. Una when be Ohanes Ndigbo, all of una supported it. All of una supported the whole thing. Now this 2019 now, after our contract don't finish, now they tell una say, look, we know we'll give una anything again. Shame not let una come out now, come tell the world, say, look, all of us know about Jubri. Now, Nnamdi Kanu, when they tell the world, say, the man when they Aso Rock, not be Nigerian person. And truly, not be Nigerian person. Now him, the man when won't save una, now him when they come out, they talk, say, now the enemy of Biafran people, now the enemy of Biafran men since 200 years ago. I never see enemy when be like, what is all this kind of thing when una they do now when be the Ohanes Ndigbo people? If una cry from here to America, una no go get any presidency. Now, it don't reach that level. When una they beg a foreigner like Jubri and the dictator when they Aso Rock, when be Abakiare, say, make them allow the Igbo presidency. Then they do things like that. In a democratic era, everybody go cast vote. Who win, go win election. They're not they stop president say, oh, nobody vote for you, but somebody go come out, come say, now you go continue to rule. It not they happen. Now I say, that one not be democracy. Of course, all of us know say not be democracy that they practice in Nigeria. All of us know say not be democracy than they practice in Nigeria. Somebody won't save una when they drown. Una they come and they talk say Nnamdi Kanu, na him be the enemy of Biafran people. This man, when they call himself Okonkwo or whatever they call himself, when they inside this Ohanes Ndigbo, among Ohanes Ndigbo, when they nyan this thing, when they nyan. Nobody they believe on her. Nobody they believe any Ohaneze Ndigbo. Ohaneze Ndigbo na fraud. Ohaneze Ndigbo na scam. Big scam to Ndigbo people. Because of una, Hesmin they there they kill. Because of una, Boko Haram they there they kill. Everything when Ohaneze Ndigbo they support na evil. The foundation of Ohaneze Ndigbo na scam. So Nnamdi Kanu they try help the southeastern part of the country. But some enemies like this Ohaneze Ndigbo, they feel say that because of them, say Biafra no fit come. Una lie. Biafra go come under all of una eye. Una when they come out, they talk say Nnamdi Kanu do this because of Nnamdi Kanu collect money. Nnamdi, but una they still they claim say na PDP he collect the money from. I don't know if he prove it. The same thing una don't talk after the 2019 election. Now again una don't bring the thing out again because una not fit fight Abba Kyari. Abba Kyari, when they rule una, today the man they seek is nowhere to be found. None of una stand up say where this man dey. All of una just the fear. That is why we call una coward. All of una. Abba Kyari they seek since how many weeks now? Abba Kyari hide somewhere. Una no fit come out demand for Abba Kyari. Una still they call Muhammadu Buhari when all of us know say now somebody else when they wear mask, when they decorate with a mask. Now somebody else when come from Sudan, now they rule on Ohaneze Ndigbo. And I know this quite well. And because of that fear, one of the fear, the Fulani people, una no fit stand yan, una no fit stand up, nobody fit talk. If na some people, some countries, when things they work, when people get their numbers, when common sense, when they take reason, una when be the Ohaneze Ndigbo, una for stand up for this Jubri matter. PDP for stand up for this Jubri matter. But because all of una dey into the game, all of una dey into the dirty game to continue to milk Nigerian people, to milk Nigerian resources, that is why una no one stand up, una no one talk. But the truth don't already come out. The whole world don't already know. Whether or not come out again, whether or not come out again, the world already know, say, that man when they there, na Aminu al-Sudani. From Sudan, a Sudanese man. The whole world knows, say, na Abba Kyari, na him be the leader of that country. Na him they rule all of una. Una know it quite well. Now, una won't come out, they blame Nnamdi Kanu. A man when won't bring peace to the southeastern part of the country. A man when won't bring peace to that country in general. Now him, they claim say, him do this. Now because of him, Nnamdi Kanu not do anything. Jubri and Abba Kyari don't tell una say nothing for una. The Fulani people don't come a time without number. They tell una say nothing for una. So, if you want democracy, play the game well. Because not be democracy when una dey practice. For una to dey beg Buhari, make a allow una Buhari o, una Buhari, not be everybody Buhari, not be Funkidi Buhari. Majority of Nigerian people reject that man, reject Abba Kyari, reject the leadership of that country. Una not the shame. The Ohaneze Ndigbo. So, that una Buhari now, una they beg the man. Now the Yoruba people don't see una weakness again. See now, oh, we don't win them now, beg them, they beg. Somebody like Bola Tinubu go hide inside the room now, they laugh at all of una. Oh, we don't win them. They not get shame. They not get level. Now so the man go the tell una. Now so the man go the nyan. Because as this news bust out now from Daily Post, Bola Tinubu don't see him now. I know see him. He don't call him men, say, man, we don't win them. Now, they don't surrender. Then they beg us. They don't already say, now we get 2023. And truly, now we get 2023. Now, so the man go the yan. Where una the open mouth, that una mouth they talk, say, with the bear President Muhammadu Buhari, we know say President Muhammadu Buhari go install a president in a democratic country, a democratic era. Una when be Ohaneze Ndigbo, I say shame unto una. All of them are good for nothing people. All of them, they destroy the actualization of Biafra. But with or without honor, that Biafra don't already come. I want clear all of honor today. Say that Biafra don't already come. Nnamdi Kanu not collect any dime from any PDP people. If he collect money from PDP, that time when he tell Atiku Abubakar saying come from Cameroon, Atiku Abubakar for tell and say, we don't pay you money, then now this thing you can't talk. Atiku Abubakar for talking. You know, remember, see, Nnamdi Kanu once tell Atiku Abubakar say, ain't not be Nigerian person. And true, the man not be Nigerian person. Truly, the man not be Nigerian person. So, if you collect money from PDP, because PDP, Atiku Abubakar na their leader. So, he no go tell Atiku Abubakar say, in na Cameroonian. And again, based on say Atiku Abubakar dey among people when go recruit Jubri come, when Nnamdi Kanu tell and say, use this thing against Jubri, make Jubri go bring his DNA, make the world see and say, no be Buhari. So a man they challenge a president, the whole presidency. One man against the whole presidency. They not fit gather that they are ball where they say they get ball. Say make them go bring Buhari. Say this one Ari Buhari, make him go bring that in DNA test. All those things are the reason why people believe that man did there na Jubri from Sudan. 100%. For Jubri not to bring that his DNA, when Nnamdi Kanu ask can say, man, go get us your DNA, make we know whether now you be the Buhari or now you be Jubri from Sudan. APC and PDP today, nothing. That's to show you, see, that man when they there, now Jubril from Sudan. Because if these people got that board, they will say, okay, make them carry the Jubri or the Buhari when they there, make you go bring in his DNA. But they refuse. That is why you see, say, the man when be Nnamdi Kanu, truly, na man when they see tomorrow. So all these things when the Ohanaeze Ndio she can't talk today, we come here on this platform to debunk them 100%. Say not be because of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, when be the lazy Ohanaeze Ndigbo people, na una be lazy people. Na una they cost una downfall. Because if una want progress, all of una for don't join the agitation of Biafra with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So again, we can't tell una say today, say na enviness, na jealousy, because they don't say Nnamdi Kanu, they do good things for the Biafran people. He won't put things in place so that they will fight this disease one day all over the world. All those things don't cause them jealousy. They won't come talk another thing again. So una not get anything to tell people. So everything when una go daily post, go write or go talk today, not make any single sense. If una say na Buhari dey there, bring that man DNA. The man when una supposed to the challenge na Bakari and the presidency, not be Nnamdi Kanu. When one even bring una come out from under the water when una dey, because all of una dey under water, they drown. They sink down. Una not see where una want collect money again. Una not see where una want go, because they don't tell una say make all of una not near even Abuja. Not to talk of Aso Rock. That is why all of una they run heta scatter. Una want plead the Northerners. Una slave masters. Una want plead the caliphates. That is why una come out today. Can't talk the things we wanna talk. I say APC go they laugh at all of una. PDP, I say APC go they laugh at all of una. Look at the credit now when this man when not get number 6, can they give Buhari? Say Buhari, they don't know already. Say Buhari don't install the next president in 2023. Say Buhari don't do that one already. They beg Buhari. Who is that Buhari? Where is that Buhari? Where in day? In a democratic era, na him then they install president. That is to show you once again, ladies and gentlemen, say, not be democracy Nigerian people they practice. Not be democracy. This man, when we come talk this thing today, must go somewhere with his group when Yohanes and Joshi, go use sand cover all their face. This kind of people, because before now we know say we get brave Igbo men, brave Biafran men in that country. Today, they're not there again. They're not there again. Because people when we know before, 80s, 70s, not be so, then do their own thing. Today, all these Ohanes and Igbo, they don't disgrace the whole. In fact, now themselves then disgrace. They don't disgrace themselves. Everywhere where they go, now so disgrace. They disgrace themselves. So, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go stop the matter. Now don't hear what the man talk. But we come out here today, can't debunk them, say, not be so. Now them when be the Ohanes and Igbo, they use their hand, they do their self. Because if they get number 6, therefore don't join Maz and they come for the actualization of Biafra. They don't want to do them. Somebody, you know, they go, they collect oil money, oil when they on a land, you know, they go back token. I just wonder if na cause, may God forgive all of them. May God forgive all of them when be Ohanes and Igbo, aka Ohanes and Joshi and their cronies. One love, everybody. I say if you never subscribed before, make you subscribe to our channel. Make you share my videos and make sure see not forget to press that bell sign when they there, so that anytime when Funky D upload, you not forget my video. One love and bye.